Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to redeem Avios on Qatar Airways. Go to the link down below in the description. It will redirect you to this page. You'll have to sign in using your account, and if you do not have an account yet, I have created a video explaining how to create an account on Qatar Airways. So now once you sign in, you will have to choose the flight, whether it's one-way, return, or multi-city. So fill in all these information, then click on search flights. It will take a couple of seconds. After that, you'll have to choose any flight that feels best to you. So I will go for this one. And here, as you can see, you have two options. You have the currency that you are using, which here in my case is Egyptian pound, and you have the Avios. Now you may ask, where do I get the Avios? You need to know that you have to join Avios Club, and all you have to do is to just create an account on Avios. And after that, the more you book flights, hotels, or even cars using Qatar Airways, you will be able to get Avios so that you can use them to book other flights and redeem them on Qatar Airways. So now you'll just have to click on Avios. In some cases, it may tell you that it is not available, but just click on View Other Flights and it will show you more options using the Avios. You may find some flights that are not redeemable with Avios, but let's consider that this one here is in Avios. You can simply click on it like this, then click on Select with Avios, and after that you will have to enter all the details for this trip, including your passport number, passport details, etc. And if you want to know how many Avios you have, you just have to go to the main homepage, then click on Privilege Club, then go to My Dashboard, and here on the right side, it will show you how many Avios you have and where it was last updated. You just click on View My Avios Balance, and it will show you more details about your Avios. And to get these Avios, you just have to link your account to other airways like this one, and you can change some of these small tasks to get some Avios, or you can even get them, as I told you before, from booking some other flights, and they will give you Avios just like a Cash app. That's pretty much it. Support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.